Ready? Let's start. In this demonstration, we are going to talk about your challenges. Then we'll watch a 2-minute video. And then we will have time for questions. This is what we are hearing from all the teachers. We don't have time, nor materials, nor teachers. Is this what you are also experiencing? Is this what brought you here today? So we have great news because we have ready-made lessons, high-quality materials, and the teacher just needs to facilitate. She can just sit back and relax. We also invite you to an exclusive language support group. So there we can help you with any vocabulary and grammar help. Does this sound like something that could be useful to your team and your teachers? Dumela, Molo, and Sawubona. Welcome to the Abuti Syllabus. It's super user-friendly. You have buttons on the left to choose a lesson. You have buttons at the top to choose the activity. Here, you can see the teacher's guide with explanations and grammar help. Here, you can access the workbook with fun and engaging activities. Here, you can watch the animations that are so much fun.
That's right, ihlombe. Now what is the word for foot in isiZulu?
Here, you can listen to songs and stories.
Ulisiko usuka eMzantsi Afrika. Uthetha isiXhosa.
Here, you can find the flashcards, noun clause poster, board game, assessments, and much, much more. So, are you ready to let Abuti do the teaching?
What is the word for head in isiZulu? That's right.
Nkosi yami, ke voet. Alusiyame go opela le nna.
Vandag leer ons werkwoorde. Hoe sê ons om te loop? Baie mooi. Dis Gotsamaya. Stand, Emma, sit, Dula, walk, Samaya, sleep, Robala, jump, Clola, speak, Bua.
Tsamayang sentle ba.
Goodbye.
Let Abuti do the teaching.
Let Abuti do the teaching.
Also, visit our website to see what other language learning materials we have to offer. Also, visit our YouTube channel to see what we are up to.
Okay, let's talk price. The most expensive package is the full package with digital and printed materials. We also have pitchable options, the USB or the online access. So you can see we have many options. It all depends on your school's needs. And it gets even better, because if you decide to reactivate every year, we give you more content, more materials, upgrades, updates, and technical support. It's so amazing. So let's upgrade your teachers and get you up and running. Yes, we want to ask you a small favor. This is our new series called The Little Big Five. Learning verb tenses has never been this cute. We just want some feedback or a review. In the email, we will send you a catalog and a link to access all the materials in English and Afrikaans, ebooks and animations. Let's watch a little bit of this animation to show you how cute this is.
In the middle of the South African savannah lives a confident rhino named Jabari. Jabari loves to sing and believes he has the best voice in the land. But unfortunately, That is not true. Jabari wants to enter the annual talent contest, so he asks his closest friends if they like his voice. His friends do not want to hurt his feelings, so they all tell a little white lie. Absolutely. They all say,